Hello, I'm attorney Lewis Haskell, and I am fired up for tax season. I know it sounds strange, but it really is my favorite time of the year. You can see that I have behind me my 2022 tax software, which means that at least in theory, if you had your W-2 form today, I could do your taxes. I say in theory because the IRS has announced that the tax season will start January 24 of 2023, meaning that will be the first day that we're actually able to e-file a tax return. And that is actually okay because for most people who like to file in January, they're not going to receive a tax refund before mid-February at the earliest. The reason for that is if you're getting a tax credit, like a child tax credit, or if you're filing at a household, tax refunds are delayed so that the IRS can kind of cross-reference your tax return with your W-2 form. However, it's still good to come in and drop off your documents as you have them or as you receive them, and we can enter them at our leisure. And then when you're ready to have your return e-filed, we can do that. And if you have everything ready on January 24, we can do that too, although please be sure you actually have everything ready. In fact, because you will not be receiving a refund until the middle of February for most people, I would encourage you to wait until February to actually e-file the return just to make sure that you have received everything. We have this happen every year where somebody comes in and they're anxious to e-file right away, and we e-file in January, and then they come back and they've received sometimes a W-2 form that they had forgotten about, commonly an interest reporting statement or something like that. And it makes a bit of a mess because, well, first of all, we can't amend returns for quite some time, and it's just unnecessary. It's not the end of the world. It's just unnecessary. There's a fee involved. It's better in most cases to wait. But, you know, if we're told to e-file it on January 24, we'll e-file it on January 24. As I like to say, I'm the lawyer. I'm nobody's mother. So that's that. But as you can see, we have the software. We are good to go. In terms of procedures, we put in some new procedures because of COVID, and we're going to try to keep them because it worked out very well. And what I'm referring to is in the last couple of years, we've had clients drop off documents or send us documents. We open up all kinds of secure portals for that, and make an appointment to come in and review the tax return. One of the nice things about that is that it means that if they're coming in by appointment, we can organize my day so that people can come in, see me, no waiting, and pretty much everyone does get to see me, which makes it that much more fun from my point of view, and I think a better experience for the client. But it also does mean no waiting. You come in for an appointment and I will see you. We have had people come in who for one reason or another can't drop off. They want their taxes done right then and there. And, you know, all I would say to that is I have appointments and I'll try to get to you. But you may have to wait some and I may be a little bit short with you. I do like to really dig into a tax return with a client and explain what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, how they can do it better, and why things are the way they are. It's part of what makes tax season fun for me. But in any event, tax season is here, and I look forward to seeing all of you, and really and truly, I think having some fun. Until then, just, I always in these things, be safe and be strong, but be happy. Be happy. Thank you.